before starting that, if you want to open the DVWA, so you have to type cd/opt/lamp. Okay, after that you have to start the lamp folder /lamp start.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
lamp
sir.
start. After that you have to open the DVWA. 192. I am recording the class. Okay, after the
Okay.
class I will send you the recording. 192.168.43.36/DVWA. Okay.
Yeah.
After that, the default username is admin and the password is PAWSWORD password. Okay, done.
Yeah. Yeah.
After that, yeah. Now after that, you have to open the Bubsuit.
But
Before starting that, you have to open the Bubsuit. BURP Bubsuit. Is that clear?
yeah, sir.
Okay. So here you have to start the Bubsuit. After that, you have to open the first one, which is brute force attack. Suppose that you know the username of any website. Suppose that you know the username of any website, but you don't know what is the password. I
Yeah.
don't know what is the password of DVWA, so then you can use brute force attack. So before starting that, you have to use the proxy. I will show you the live.
Okay.
Okay. After starting that, yeah, it has started now. Go in the proxy and
Yeah.
off the intercept. Okay.
Okay.
And after that, if you know the username is admin. You know that, but you
Yeah.
don't know what is the password. So type here anything 1 2 3 4 5 6. I don't know what is the password, and you also don't know what is the password. So
Okay.
here, click on the login and go in the Bubsuit. Here you get the request of Bubsuit. Here you get the request, which is 192.168.40.30, and here you are using DVWA. After that,
Okay.
right click and send this into intruder. Send to intruder. After send to intruder become red. Click on that. Here target is set. Go in the
Yeah.
positions. After that,
Yeah.
here you can find many dollar. So clear all the dollar. After that, highlight the password field. After that, highlight the password field. Okay. After that,
Yeah.
add dollar. Here I want to attack on password field, so I have highlighted this. Okay.
Okay.
After that, go on payloads, and you have to add the payload, or you have to add the dictionary. Suppose that you don't know the passwords.
Yeah.
Is the password you don't know what is the
sir,
password?
second one you typed as a
I
password.
also don't know. Yeah. I don't know what is the password, so I am typing anything.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
I will type PAWS ORD password PAWS password. I don't know what is the password, so type here anything. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Type here anything, and here after that you have to go on the start attack, and here you have to click OK. After that, all the status is 200, it means OK. Here is finished. After that, click on the length one time, and second time after that you get the right password, and the right password was password. Okay.
Yeah.
Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Here all the length are similar, but one length is different. The one length
Yes,
which
sir.
was different is
First
4769, so you can say that this one is the password. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So you have to click on proxy and off the intercept, and after that type here password. Password is ADMIN admin, and
Yeah.
the password is PAWSWORD password. Okay. And after
Yeah.
login that you are successfully logged in this field. Okay. Now I
Okay.
want to show you some live websites which are vulnerable through brute force attack. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
You can also try. You can also try. The website name is Way to SMS.
V2 SMS. Okay.
Yeah. Click on that. Here I have registered my number in Way to SMS. So click here 912. Okay. After that,
Yeah.
I don't know the password, so I am entering wrong thing. After that, go in the buff suit on the intercept and click on login field. Okay. Click on login field. Yeah. Then you can able to find the request of Way to SMS. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Here the mobile number is here and the password is here. I don't know what is the password of this.
Yeah.
So you have to
Yeah.
right click here. After that, send to intruder. Intruder becomes highlighted. Here target is set. Go in the positions. Clear all the dollar.
And
After that, you have want to attack on password field. So add dollar. After that, go in the payloads. And here you have to add all the right and wrong password. Combination of right and wrong password. Okay.
yes, sir.
Here I have created a Way to SMS text file. How I have created, I will show you. So before that, I will show you the attack. Okay. Okay, I have entered
Yes.
some right and wrong password combination. How can I find this password? I will show you. So after that, you have to go in the start attack field. After start attack, click OK. And here 2 of 9, 3 of 9, 4 of 9, 5 of 9. After that,
6, 7,
yeah,
9.
completed,
Yeah.
finished.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to click on length.
Length.
Here one length is different, so this
Yeah.
one will be the right password. Is all the length is 174 and the one thing's length is 169. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now close this. Off the proxy. Go here and type the right password.
Yeah.
Here you can able to log in the field. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is that clear now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you have to start. Yeah. Now after that you have to create the dictionary. How can you load anything? Here, if you send this into intruder, if you send anything in the intruder, you can also load anything. Here you have to click on the load, and if you know the txt file or anything, then you can click here. Okay.
Okay.
But how can you create a way to SMS file? I will show you how to create this.
For SMS.
Here the one thing you should no, here you have to use the crunch directory.
Oh, okay.
Here you will use the crunch. Through crunch you can make the dictionary. I am sending you in your chat box. Okay.
Okay.
Here if you want to make the dictionary from 1 to 5 letter, minimum letter is 1, maximum letter is 5, you can use. After that you want to make the dictionary of Deepak, word of Deepak, then it will create from D, after that E, after that A, P, anything,
Yeah.
D, double E, D, E, D, P, D, K, all the
Okay.
letters, possible letter. Okay.
Okay.
This one is the dictionary for
Okay.
creating a way to SMS file. I am sending you in your chat box. You will save this. Okay. Here 6 it means it will create the minimum letter and maximum letter words. Okay. 6 is the minimum letter and next 6 is maximum letter.
Okay.
Okay. After that -t it means it will create a unlimited number of word. Comma represent the capital letter. And percent denote number. Okay.
Yes.
Can you hear me, Namesh?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So you have to type all this.
Okay.
Okay. चले आगे.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is it that clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have to go in this field one, and now we use the command injection. Okay. Here this one is saying that here you have to enter an IP address. Yeah, this one is saying that you have to type here an IP address. So I am typing here an IP address. This one is my IP address. You can also
It's
type here google.com or anything.
okay.
Is that clear? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's your laptop IP address or
Yeah. My laptop IP address. Okay, here you
okay.
can see that 43.36. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
You can also use google.com. Okay, I'm removing this and using google.com. Okay.
Okay.
Now clear?
Yeah.
Submit that. After that, it will. eh, yeah. After that, you can find that it can ping 4 times. Why? Why you can find 4 times pinging request? Due to source page. Here you can find that in source page. Here,
Okay.
when you run the command, then it will ping only 4 times. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Only 4 times. Okay.
Okay.
So close this, and after that, you want run many commands in this field. Here, you have to enter this one. Here, one command is working. If you want to combine 2 commands,
Okay.
then you have to use and.
And then
And is used to combine the command, and after that ls. Yeah,
oh,
ls will list all the directory. So submit that. So list all the file on my dbws server. Here you can find the index.php, source and help. These all are the file in is situated in my dbws server. Okay.
yeah.
Suppose that you want to, if you want to see the folders which are located in my desktop. Okay. So I'm using here google.com. After that and ls. It will list all the directory of desktop. So submit that. Then you can find all the things.
Yes.
Command.txt, dirb.jpg, many more things you can find here. Okay.
Yeah.
Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
So it works just like as a, yeah. So it works just like as a just like as a CMD, or it means you can say that it just like as a terminal. Okay.
Yeah.
Here you can also run many more commands. If you want to type here, who am I? Here this one is my IP address, and after that who am I? So submit that, then it will say me daemon user. Yeah, here I am daemon.
Yeah.
You can also run many more commands. You can run all the commands. If you want to type, see the documents folder. You want to see my laptop documents folder. To submit that, in documents, what is situated? Not working.
No.
Not working. Maybe commands will be wrong. Okay. Here you can
Yeah.
also see the many more things. You can see example IP address. You can see IP address. You can also see the files of my desktop, downloads folder, many more things. After that, you can also see index file. Okay, suppose that if you want to see the index file,
Okay.
here is the index file.
Index.
So here you have to run the command. Yeah. Cat index.php. Run that command. After run that command, you can see all the index file here. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
This one is the index file. Okay.
Yeah.
Now go in the CSRF. Okay. Here
Okay.
in CSRF you have to start the Bubsuit Pro version, because it will not work here. I am closing this and opening the Bubsuit Pro version. This one is a Websuit Pro version. Through that you can able to open the, you can perform CSRF attack. Through CSRF attack, CSRF it means cross-site request forgery. Through CSRF attack, you can change the passwords of any website through a token. Okay, only
Okay.
one token.
Yeah.
Now it has opened. Now you don't know what is the password, and you want to change the password through token. So you have to go here and go in the proxy. Intercept is off and on.
Mm.
You have to write here the new password. I am writing here 123. Confirm new password 123. Okay.
Okay.
After that, click on change. Go in the Websuit, and after that you can find the password. New password is 123. Confirm password 123.
123.
After that, right click on that. Go on engagement tool. Generate CSRF POC. After that, copy.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
After copying that, you have to intercept. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, sir, your voice
Hello?
is breaking. Yeah.
Now is that clear?
Yeah.
So before starting that, you have to open leaf pad,
Okay.
and you have to paste all the file here, and you can change the value. I am changing the value hacker, 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 hacker.
Yeah.
After that, save this as an HTML file. Okay.
Okay.
When I will send you this, then your password can also be changed. Click on here and open with Firefox. After that, submit request. Your password is changed successfully. Okay.
Yes.
Now log out here and try to log in. ADMIN. Default username was admin and default password was password. But when I try here hacker, HACKER,
Yeah.
HACKER, hacker. After login and show password, then it's successfully
Yeah.
logged in. Okay.
Yes, sir. It's for all the websites or
If any website is vulnerable through CS.
okay.
Yeah. All the website, if they are vulnerable through CSRF. If they are
Okay.
vulnerable through CSRF. Okay.
Yeah.
I am sending you CSRF POC. Yeah, but it is not taking. Okay, I will send you in your email ID. Okay.
Okay.
I will send you in your email ID. So close this one. Any problem?
No, sir.
May I proceed now?
Yeah.
Okay. So next one, you have to type here. Okay, wait. I have to change the password. PASSWORD password. PASSWORD password. Change this one. Yes. Okay. Changed.
Yeah.
Now go in the file intrusion. Here, file intrusion are two types. First one is LFI attack and second one is RFI attack.
Okay.
LFI and second one is RFI. There are two type of file intrusion. First one is LFI attack and second one is RFI attack. Is that clear? In LFI attack, here this one is my IP address. Here in LFI attack, if you find this type of parameter, Ramesh, can you hear me?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. If you get this type of parameter, then if you want to local file of the website, then you can use /etc/pawswd. You want to see the password file. Okay.
Yeah.
If you want to go the first directory, then you will use .. If you want to go 2 directory back, then you will use .. 3 directory back .. Okay.
Okay.
Hit enter. Here you can not find the password file, so clear this one. Enter. No, you cannot find the password file, so
Yeah.
remove, and after that hit enter, then you can able to find the local file of the
Local
website.
file.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, this one is the local file of your PC. If you want to see in your system, then I can also show you. cd/etc. After that cat pawswd. Okay, pawswd. Then you can able to see all the password file. Okay,
Yes.
is that clear?
Yes, sir.
But if you want to see the, do you know Hrithik Roshan?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Actor. Yeah.
He is an actor. Yeah, he is an
Yeah.
actor. Yeah, and this website is also vulnerable through LFI attack. This website is also vulnerable through LFI attack. Only you have to click on profile. After the profile, you have to click on personal details. Yeah. Then you can find this one parameter, question mark fname is equal to question mark page is equal to, then you have to type here /etc/pawswd. Only type here /etc/pawswd, then you can able to find all the password file of this website. Okay, so this website is also vulnerable through LFI attack. LFI, it means local file, and you can able to find the local file. And if you get this type of vulnerability in any website, then you can report it, and you can see here LFI hacker one. Here you can find the report of LFI attack. Here is the LFI attack. See?
Sir, your voice breaking, sir. Hello.
Website.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Your voice is very breaking.
Yeah. Here the person. Again and again now. Now is
Now.
that clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Here this one website http/slack.com, this website was vulnerable through LFI attack. and this was reported on February 14th, and
Yeah.
the person get $4,000. Okay, the
Okay.
person get $4,000. Imagine $4,000. Okay,
Yeah.
the person get $4,000 through LFI attack. Here, if this website is vulnerable through LFI attack, then I want to try to find the log file. If you want to try to find the log file, then you have to type here htaccess.log, and through that you can able to get all the log file of this website, all the log file.
Okay.
Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. After load the page, you can get all the information of any person. If you are logged in this field, then you can also, your information will also be here. Okay, here is your IP address, here is your system, mobile phone, all the things. Wait for one minute. Yeah, successfully completed. Here you can find the IP address. This one is my IP address. This is my Firefox Linux I'm using. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is that clear now?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. My IP. Here is my IP. But this one is the IPv6. I want to check the IPv4 address. I want to find the. This one is the IP address of IPv6 address, so I can't see you. But if you find the IPv4 address, then you can able to see this. This one is my public IP address. Okay.
Yeah.
So this one is a part of file inclusion vulnerability, and this one is also known as LFI attack.
Oh,
Now I want to find the RFI attack. RFI attack. So wait for 1 minute only. Okay, I'm coming in a minute. Okay.
yes. Then
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ramesh. Now you
Yeah.
have to attack RFI attack. RFI.
Right.
RFI it means remote file intrusion. Okay. You have
Remote?
to find the RFI attack. RFI it means remote file intrusion. Okay.
Okay.
Now you want to access the remotely file. You want to access the remotely file.
Okay.
Access the remotely file. So type here https ://google.com. Here this one is the DVWA website. After that this one is the google.com. Then here you can find that Google page is open here and DVWA page is also open here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear now? Yeah. Any problem?
No.
Yeah, wait. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
May I proceed file upload?
Yeah.
Here in file upload, through file upload, you can access all the things. You can access all the things. Yeah, here you have to click on the browse and you have to download the PHP shell. Okay, if you try the lesson, I will send you. This one is a PHP shell. The name is B374K2.8.php shell. Open this one, and after that you have uploaded. Upload. Click on upload. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait for upload. So here you can find in many websites you have to upload the image. So you have to click here upload. When you upload that, then this give you the path of file where it is uploaded. So copy this one and open this one. Okay, open this one. Then you can find this type of page. Here you can find this type of page. So here you have to type the password. The password is same B374K. Okay, same password. After that go. So password here B374K. Don't save.
Okay.
After that you can see all the file which is located in my DVWA folder. Here is the uploads file. Here you can see all the uploads things. When you click on the hackable, you can find all the things, user action, many more things. In DVWA folder you can find the config file, hackable file, htaccess, many more things you can find. Click on htdocs, you can find the DVWA, web analyzer, all the things you can find here. In the LAMP folder you can get all the things. So through that you can get access all the files of my server.
Oh.
If you click on the OPT, so this one is the Jenny Mobile. Okay,
Yeah.
this one is Jenny Mobile. So this one is used for mobile penetration testing. Okay,
Okay.
you can run all the command. This one is my IP address. This one is my IP address here. This one is here. All the file you can see here. Blind cell, all the cell you can find here. Here is the database. Here is the information. All the information you can find. Server information. Here this one is the server information, my server information. Okay,
Oh yeah.
this one is my CPU information. Here this one is my CPU information. What is the CPU size? What is the flag? What is the all the things you can find. What is the processor? What is the model number? All the things you can find. Here you can find the memory information. How many KB, 4 GB RAM, buffers, cache, all the things you can find here. Okay,
Yes.
is that clear now?
Yeah.
So through many more things, partition information here, partition information is here, all the things you can find here. Only through a PHP cell. Okay, only
Yeah.
through PHP cell you can get this type of. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All the PHP cell you can find here, and this type of attack is known as file approach. Okay,
Okay.
is that clear now?
Yes.
In next class we will learn about SQL injection, but before that we will learn about XXX cross-site scripting, and we can find the live website. Okay,